If there is one topic that needs discussion from as many viewpoints as possible, it is war. War is dynamic and versatile, making every point of view count when discussing an issue. Even though war may be far away, it still affects us in real time. Just earlier this year, President Joe Biden visited right here in Troy, Alabama, and gave a speech due to the importance of our weapons manufacturing industry to the war efforts in Ukraine. This Tuesday, Troy students got the opportunity to hear from different Troy faculty in a roundtable discussion on that very war.
We all come with different perspectives and different backgrounds, and that's important because war always takes place in a context. And so understanding that context, and we do this by getting other people's perspectives, allows us to understand how something could take place historically.
And nothing showed the ever-changing nature of war better than a missile that supposedly hit NATO member Poland on its eastern border with Ukraine just a few hours before the panel. Since Poland is a NATO country, this will certainly add tension and increase the likelihood of NATO allies stepping in and expanding the conflict.
Now, this is a big change. It's a game changer because we don't know what that means. We don't know how the Poles will respond, how NATO will respond, and this is the first time Russia has attacked directly a NATO country.
With recent U.S. estimates claiming there have been around 200,000 total soldiers deceased in the war, as well as 40,000 civilians, it's not secret that the average person wants this conflict to come to the quickest and safest end possible. Discussions like these can help facilitate these conversations, not just here, but around the world. And as panel member Dr. Michael Sobachikov says, understanding perspective is key.
So discussions like this have to happen for policymakers and around the world so that we all look at different perspectives and understand motivations.
This roundtable was part of International Education Week. For more information on the upcoming activities this week, visit today.troy.edu. Simon Schuessler, Troy, TrojanVision News.